now I am going to create a package called one. So that's why I have used the statement package one. Okay, so within the package I have one class called my class. Okay, so within this I have make it all the things are public, then only you can access from outside. Okay, and then public, because in package classes and all we're going to access from outside. No? So that's why you make it that as a public. Okay, and then public function, public void function, void fn. Okay, and then here I have system.out.println. This is a one package fn. This is one package fn. So that's why I'm printing one fn. So now how I have to save this program? I have to create one folder name called one. So within that folder, I have to save this program as my class.java, because this is a public. So if any class is public, you have to save the program name with the same name of the class name. Okay, so single package can have many public class, but single Java program can have only one public class. Okay, so now I'm going to save this program as my class.java within that folder. Now in Java program, I'm going to create one folder. This is not package folder. For execution purpose, I'm going to create one folder. So that folder is called package. So within that, I'm going to create one more folder, that is one. Okay, so where you have to save the program means you have to save the program within the folder one, because the package name is one. So now I'm going to save this program as my class.java. Okay, my class.java. I have saved this one. And then next, I'm going to create one more package. I'm going to create one more package. So that package is that package. Now I'm going to make it the second package name is 2. Okay, so second package name is 2, and this package is also have the same class name my class, and with the same function name fn. But within the println statement, I'm going to print it to fn. Okay, so now where I have to save this program? I have to save this program in folder 2. So for that I have to create one folder. That folder name is called 2. So within that I have to save this program as, within that folder I have to save this program as my class.java. My class.java. And next, this is the main program. So with this, I'm going to import. With this, I'm going to import one dot start semicolon, and then import 2 dot start semicolon. So within this class, within this program, I have imported one package and 2 package. So then here public and this Java program is also have the same class name my class. So here public static void main string string. So now I'm going to create object for this my class obj obj equal to new my class. And the next I'm going to create my this is we have a 3 class file name with the same name for my class. So one my class is available in the current folder, and one my class class file is going to be available in one folder, and another class file is going to be available in the 2 folder. So that is first. This is the first package my class. So that's why I'm creating first dot my class. If it is a different name, then we no need to specify package dot. But if all the packages are having the same class file name, you have to differentiate by package and dot operator. Okay, so my class. And then next,
package name one, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, one. Sorry, one. And 2. 2 dot my class obj3. All are try to compile this program in your own laptop. I don't know how online compiler is useful for this package execution. I don't know. I am not used to that online compiler for package. Better if you have your own laptop, you try to compile it in your laptop itself. Package program alone. For other purpose, for other program, you can use online compiler. obj1 dot function, and then obj2 dot fn, and then obj3 dot fn. Now I have to save this program within the parent directory of that one package and two package. Who is the parent directory of that one package and two package means that is I have created one folder already. So package, so that is the parent folder. So I am going to save this program in that folder package. Because for package 1 and package 2, this is the parent folder. So if I save it in the parent folder itself, I no need to set the class path. Otherwise, if this 1 and 2 are available in some other folder, I have to set the class path. So next we will see that example. So now where I'm going to save this main program means I'm going to save this program in the parent folder of that 1 and 2. Who is the parent folder? This is the package. Okay. So now, so I have my class. My class. Okay. So now I'm going to compile this one. So now this is available in cd Java program cd package. Okay. So from here I'm going to compile. Now actually I have to compile module by module. But even from here, from package, in package folder, what program I'm having now? I am having this this program, my class. So within that I have imported the package 1 and 2. No? So when I'm compiling this, automatically this 1 and 2 is also compiled. But that is not a good practice. You compile module by module. So first you get into the folder 1 and then you compile that myclass.java. So if there is no error, then get into the folder 2, then you compile myclass.java. After that, you come to package folder, then you compile myclass.java. So if you compile module by module, then it is easy to find out the error. But even if I am compiling from here, that myclass.java, automatically that 1 and 2 folder, I will show you. Within that package, I have a folder 1 and 2. No? So initially we have created only Java file. So after compiling, the .class file is also created. No? But I have compiled the myclass program of this package folder. I have compiled this myclass alone. But when I compile, so within this class, I have imported the package 1 and 2. No? So that's why automatically that is compiled and corresponding class file will be stored in that particular folder. So in 1, myclass.class is created, and 2 also myclass.class is created. Okay. So then I'm going to compile. Actually, I didn't change this printout statement in main program. So now I will change this as main fn. One more time I will compile. So now I'm going to execute. So now what it will print? It will print. Now this is the current folder myclass, and this is the package 1 package myclass. obj2 is 1 package myclass object. obj3 is 2 package myclass object. And then by using those objects, I'm going to call the function fn. So when I'm calling fn by using obj1, this function is called. So that's why main fn is printed. When I'm calling obj2 fn, that is to package 1 myclass fn is invoked. So that in that we have printed 1 fn and then 2 fn. Understood, Amma? Up to this you understood, Amma? Any doubt? Anybody have doubt in this, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
so now the 1 and 2 are in this current folder package. So this 1 and 2 are stored in this package. So that's why we don't need to set the class path. So now I'm going to cut these 2 packages. I'm going to cut part. Okay, I'm going to cut, not copy. Control X. Okay, so I'm going to save this in some other folder. For example, Java 2020 folder is there. In Java 2020, in Java 2020, I'm going to create one folder. That folder name, we will give any name. Okay, we will make it that as first. So within that, already first is there. Okay. F1, the folder name is F1. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save. Okay, so now 1 and 2 are available in this folder F1. So when I compile this again, when I compile this program again, what will happen? I will get an error because the package 1 does not exist. So it will search that one folder within this package folder itself. So now what will happen? It will search. it will search the package, one package from this folder itself, within this package itself, and then it is also search the two package within this package itself. Okay, so now that 1 and 2 are not available in this package folder. So now where I have saved this 1 and 2 means I have saved this in Java 2020 F1. So now I have to set the class path. Set class path equal to what is the class path? D:/Java 2020, and then folder name F1. Okay, folder name F1. So now what if I am setting, after that you have to put one slash. So now if I am setting the class path like that means now it will search the my class dot class file. It will search the package 1 and 2 within this folder F1. Okay, so like I can do many class file name, many class path name by separating semicolon. And also I'm going to give dot. So this is for this dot for searching in the current directory. Okay, searching in the current directory, because the main class my class dot class is that is available in the package folder itself. So if I am setting this path, that dot class file is also searched in that particular folder F1. Got it? Understood? If I am not giving dot semicolon, the main package my class dot main program my class dot class file, so that will search it in this folder F1, but that is available in the current package folder. Understood or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's why here I'm giving a dot. Dot means a current directory. Okay, because the main program my class is available in the current directory. Okay, so then I'm going to compile Java C my class dot Java, and now it is compiled. Okay, so now, okay, understood, Abba? Now you understood, Amma, the package concept. Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
shall I move to sub package concept, Amma? Sub package. Here this dot semicolon is only import all the classes of that particular package. So this is import. This is 1 dot star, 2 dot star. So the dot star mentioning I'm importing all the classes of that package, but in package 1 I'm having only one class. In package 2 I'm also having only one class. So if I have more than one class means then I can access all the classes if I'm using dot star. But particularly if you want to use any one class means directly you can mention the class name here, 1 dot my class, and then 2 dot my class. So if the package 1 have more than one class, but if I am using 1 dot my class, I can access only my class alone. I can access only my class alone. If I am giving a dot star means, then I can access all the classes of that package. But in this example program, I have written only one class file. So I can access all the classes, but it won't access. This dot star is not used to access the sub package. This dot star is not used to access the sub package. It is only used to access the classes of the package. Okay, and the next. So now again I will show it. So the day. So this is how will you create a sub package means package and then package first package name, and then how you have to create the sub package means dot and then sub package name, and then again you want to create one more sub package means then dot package another sub package name. So now this pkj3 is sub package 2. And now this pkj3 is the sub package to pkj2, and this pkj2 is the sub package to pkj1. So a package hierarchy must be reflected in the file system. So what does mean? Now you understood what is mean by file system. That is, Java uses file system directories to store package. For each and every package, we have created one folder with the same name of the package name. So that is this. Java uses file system directories to store the package. And here what they are mentioning, a package hierarchy must be reflected in the file system of your Java development. That is, for sub package also you have to create one folder. For example, for this package 1, if I am for this package 1, we have to create the folder package 1, pkj1. PKG1, and next I have to create one more folder within this PKG1, so that is PKG2. I have to create one more folder within this PKG2, so that is PKG3. Okay, so like that. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, like now PKJ3 is sub package of only PKJ2 or it's sub package of both PKJ2 and PKJ3?
No, it is a sub package of PKJ2 alone.
Okay.
Okay. So now how I have to create, this is an example for a sub package program. Here I have created Here I have created one package called CSE. So within that I have created one sub-package called D section. Okay, so now with this sub-package have function, class name second CSE, and then method name D section. So D section is the sub-package of CSE. So this program. And then next, CSE. So this is already created. It's already created in the previous slide I shown. No, so the same program here. And now I'm going to import CSE.D section. So here, if I am using CSE.star means I can access only the class file which are belonging to the package CSE. I cannot access D section, so the sub packages class. I cannot access the sub packages class. So if you want to access the sub packages class, you have to write the main package dot sub package name dot star. So actually here sub package only for modularizing the program. Actually we cannot access. So this is not for access write purpose. So only for purposes modularizing the program. Understood, Appa? If I want to access the sub packages classes, again I have to import main package dot sub package dot star semicolon. If I am importing main package dot star means only I can access the main package class alone. Understood, Amma? Understood, Anatpa? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. But what is the use of sub package?
That is only for modularizing the program, not for access purpose. Only for modularizing. Module by module, we can, for easy understanding purpose, we can make a program as module by module. Other than that, if you want to use the sub package class, you need to import. Without importing, only by importing main package, you cannot access. Understood, Appa?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in a sub package, can we import main package, ma'am?
No, because this is a directory file system, no? So file system directories. So how it is possible? Main package folder only, we have to create the sub package folder. What you are asking?
Importing, ma'am. Importing. In the CSE.D section, can we import CSE.star?
Main package. I thought it is not possible, but I'm not sure. I will try and then I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
So now I will execute this program. How to? So now I will create a package called arith. Within that arith, I have a class public void class name, no? Public class add. And now I have one function public void or otherwise public int sum. For this, I'm going to pass two arguments into A and into B. So now what it is going to return, this function is going to return the sum of A and B. So return A plus B. Okay, so now I have created one package called arith. So within that I have one class called add. So that add class have one member function, method sum. Okay, so now I have to save this program as add.java within that folder arith. Okay, so within that folder arith. So now I will create one in Java program. So here I am going to create one folder. Where I am going to create one folder, Java program in package. I am going to create one folder called arith. So within that arith, I am going to save the program add.java. Okay, so I have to save this program add.java within that folder arith because the package name is arith. Okay, add.java. Okay, and next, I'm going to create one sub package. So I'm going to create one sub package. So how you have to create the sub package means. So this is going to become the sub package of arith package. So now this is going to become the sub package of arith package. So now how I have to arith bitwise operator something. Okay, so bit. How I have to create a sub package means I'm going to create one sub package bit that is sub package to arith. So that's why I have to mention package arith dot bit. Okay, so I have to mention package arith dot bit. Okay, and then here I have one class bitwise operation. here bitwise and function name is bitwise and. Okay, so now what I'm going to return? I'm going to return A and B. Okay, so where I have to save this program, I have to save this program as bit.op.java, bit.op.java, and then this is a sub package. This bit is the sub package to arith, no? So that's why I have to create one folder. Bit within this arith. So within this arith, I have to create one new folder. That folder name is bit. Okay, so within that bit, I'm going to save the program bit.op.java. Okay, save. Next, one more notepad for main program. Okay, from here I will write. One more program for a main program. I have to import arith.star, and I need to import arith dot and then bit dot star semicolon. Okay, so import arith dot bit dot semicolon. So this is a class main. Within that public.
Ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, instead of keeping dot star, we can directly keep dot and then class name, no, ma'am?
Yeah. Dot star means it will import all the class files of the packages. If I am mentioning particular class file name, I can access only, I am importing only that particular class. But here in both package, I have only one class, but directly we can mention the class file name. Maybe no need to mention dot star. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now that two class name, one class name is bit op equal to new. Here a different class file name, so I no need to mention the package dot. I have two different class name. One is bit op, another one is add. This is obj1, obj2 new. obj1 dot sum, and then obj2 dot bitwise operate, bitwise and. Bitwise and here for first one I am passing 5,0, 5,6. So answer 1, for second operation for bitwise and I am passing 1,0. So here system dot within system dot, I make it to maximize the screen now. So system dot out dot println obj 6, and then system dot out dot println.
Ma'am, object 1 is bitwise and ma'am.
Object 1 is yes.
Bitwise.
Yes, sorry. Correct. Now I'm going to save this program in the parent directory of that arith. So who is the parent directory of that arith? That is a package folder. So this is the parent directory. So if I store it in the parent directory itself, the main program, I no need to set the class path. Otherwise, I have to set the class path for those packages. So now from package folder, I'm going to compile the main program javac main.java. Now it is compiled, and then java main. I'm going to execute. So first one answer is 11. So 5 plus 6 11, and then bitwise and 1 0. So that answer is 0. Understood, Amma? Understood, Anatpa?
Ma'am?
Tell me, Pa.
Ma'am, suppose here in the same program, now we are not importing this arith, ma'am. We are just importing arith.bit. It will be error, no, ma'am?
Yes, we cannot access. If I'm importing arith.bit, I cannot access that add class, because add class is available in arith. So the sub package concept is only for modularizing, not for accessing the class.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
can access bit op, no, ma'am. If we import arith.bit, we can access bit op.
Only bit op alone. I cannot access add. If I want to access add, I have to import arith. Then only. If you make it the program module by module, it is easy for understanding. No? So that's why here sub package concept was introduced. Other than that, no use of that sub package. Got it, Appa?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Did not write arith.bit also, will get an error. No?
Yes, sure. Yeah, we will get an error. By using arith.star, the dot star only access of the classes of arith package alone. Dot star won't access the sub package. got it, Amma?
Ma'am, what if I store this bit in some other location, ma'am? Like it is in D and arith is in E inside Java program.
No, the sub package should be, if a bit is the sub package to arith, that should be stored in arith itself. You cannot store a bit somewhere. So bit is the sub package to arith, that bit package should be stored within that arith folder itself. You cannot store. Okay, but this arith folder can be stored somewhere. Instead of a package folder, it can be stored in D:, or F:, some other folder. But you can set the path for up to the parent directory of that arith. Up to the parent directory of that arith. So then it will search that arith folder in the parent directory. Got it, Amma?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, when you're compiling by modules, ma'am, in this case, you compile only once, ma'am. The main, only the
Main.
only the main. If we compile by modules, then you have to compile twice, ma'am.
No. Actually, yes.
Can you show that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. If I compile module by module, first I have compiled arith package. That class files are compiled, and then next I have compiled that sub package. So that is that created the class files. From when I am compiled main, that time also it is compile all the imported packages. That time it is compile all the twice. It will compile twice.
Okay.
But if you compile module by module, that is easy for us to finding error.
Okay.
So here, this is the sub package. So in sub package also I have the same class name second CSE in main package. In CSE, this is the package CSE. So this package CSE is also have the same name second CSE. Package CSE is also have second CSE class name, and the sub package is also have this sub package CSE D section. .d section. So this is a sub package to CSE that is also have the same class name second CSE. So if I want to access the same class name means how can I differentiate package dot operator? So how I have to differentiate the sub package class file name is main here. Here I am creating object for CSE package class. Here I am creating object for the sub package class. So this is a main package dot sub package second CSE. So like that you have to create. Okay, so this OBJ is the object of main class, main package, that is a CSE package second CSE class, and this OBJ1 is the object of sub package second CSE class. Okay, so by using obj.second CSE, if I am calling by using obj means I am accessing the CSE class, CSE package class. obj1 means sub package second CSE class. Understood, Amma? If two packages have same class name, they are differentiated by the package name dot class name. Understood, Amma? That's all package. Do you have a doubt? Anybody have doubt in package concept, Amma? No. Okay. And one more thing, in inheritance, I forgot to tell one thing. We have used where concept. The screen is visible, ma? The screen is visible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here I have used where. Okay, so here I have used where. So and here I am calling one function. Now this function will return one data type, So that data type now this where is going to be act as that data type. Understood, and here also I am calling one function. So that function will return one data type. So that this where is going to be act as that data type. Understood, Actually, I forgot to tell this concept in inheritance. I will explain line by line. In main function. Here I have this is multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance. First one is my class. Okay, so first one is my class. I cannot write my class. I try to understand this is my class. And then next I have created one class called first derived class from my class. Okay, so first derived class. Okay, so I have created one more class. So that is first derived. I cannot write full name. I just write FDC, first derived class. And then next, I have created one more class, that is second derived class, that is from first derived class. Okay, so that is from first derived class. And derived class. Okay, and then next, I have created one more class type inference and inheritance. So inference and inheritance combination. Okay, so I have created one separate class. So within that, I have one static function. Within this class, I have one static function. Okay, so that static function is get obj. Okay, so for this function, I am passing one integer argument. Okay, so this is the static function. What is the return type of the static function? That is the base class. Okay, the base class my class. So this is the return type of the function my class. And then next, if I am passing 0 means it will come to k0. If I am passing 1 means it will come to 1. Otherwise, it will come to the default. So from main function, I am calling the static function. So directly without creating object, I can call the method because that is the static method. So from main is also a static method. So from main, I can call the static method without creating object. So now first time what I am passing 0 as the argument. So first time I am passing 0 as the argument. So that time it will come to k0, and here what I'm doing, I'm creating object for my class. I'm creating object for my class, and the type is also my class. So now this var is going to be act as what type? Now this var is going to be act as what type? Here what I'm returning? What is the return type of that function?
My class.
My class. Actually, this MC1 is the reference type of my class, but the return object. What is the return object? The return object is also my class type. So now MC1 here one object is created for my class. So MC1 it is pointing object of that my class. Okay, object of that my class type. Okay, and my class object of now this MC1 contain object of my class type. Okay, and then next I am calling get object obj1. So obj1 means the next I am passing 1 as the obj and 1 is the passed as the argument. So now it will come to case 1. So here I am creating object for first derived class. So actually what is the type of this var? This var is going to be act as which type? What is the return type of this function? What is the return type of this function?
My class.
So this var is going to be act as my class only. But here what I am returning object of first derived class. No. So here this is actually reference of my class, but it is going to have the object of the derived class. Understood? Here this reference type is MC2 type is my class, but it is going to have object of first derived class. That means the base class reference can have derived class object. Base class reference can have derived class. This var type is my class, but here what we are returning first derived class object. So this var is my class, but this object initially this MC1 have contains the object my class. Here MC2 is going to have object of first derived class. But this var for all three, the var is nothing but my class only, because return type of this function is my class. Understood or not? Understood or not? Say yes or no? Confusing.
This is also one type of polymorphism.
Yes. Actually, by using this var, we can also implement the runtime polymorphism. So that's why I have given one example here. Okay, so for next time, it will come to here default, and then now second derived class. So now this var is my class, but this type of this MC3 is my class, but it is going to have the object of second derived class. So when all three class have same function fn, all three class have same function fn. Now when I am calling MC1.fn, which function is invoked? Which function is invoked? This my class fn is invoked. When I am calling fn by using MC2 object, which function is invoked? Which function is invoked? First derived class. And then by using, if I am not overridden, you will get error. If I am not overridden fn, I will get an error. Okay, so next second derived class fn will be printed. Understood? Understood? So because this concept I can take in after. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are separate cases, no, ma'am. So how var becomes my class type?
Here I am returning my class object. Here I am returning first derived class object. Here I am returning new derived class object. But what is the return type? My class. So here this var and all type of my class. But this object are all going to, first object is going to have, first reference is going to have the object of my class. The second reference is going to have object of first derived class. And the MC3 is going to have object of second derived class. MC2 is going to have first derived, MC3 is going to have second derived class object. Here I am returning, first time I am returning my class object, second time I am returning first derived class, third time I am returning second derived class, but the type is my class, return type is my class. So that's why this var is going to be act as my class. The reference type is my class, but the content is very depends upon the returned value. Understood, Appa?
Yes, ma'am.
Always okay. The type of the var is my class only. Always the type of the var is my class only. But the content is very depends upon the returned value.
Ma'am, during declaration only, we have declared the only return type is my class, no, ma'am?
Yes,
That is
yes.
my class get object. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So this concept I can take only after inheritance concept. So that's why now only I explained, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So that's all. Up to this, anybody have doubt, pa? Anybody have doubt? Okay. Ma, so next class, we will start exception handling, ma.
Ma'am,
Okay. Tell me, pa.
in default interface methods, once can you open the PPT, ma'am?
Interface PPT, pa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Wait.
ma'am.
Wait. Interface. Default interface method. Tell me, pa.
Next slide, ma'am. Some more.
You need explanation for this program, apa?
Not this one. Next slide.
Next, okay. This one, amma.
Next last slide. Last but one slide. Not the like.
Yes, actually, there is no slide number in that one. Okay. There is no slide number.
In which up one, 15th slide.
Can you tell me that interface name, apa?
Same slide only, ma'am.
Intermain only.
In which we have public foo in new interface IP.
Okay, public foo. This one, apa? Multiple inheritance issues solution.
Once you
No.
go back and see the 15th slide.
Okay, okay. Okay, count. I will count and then.
Are you
15th slide. Actually, this is first slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one, apa?
Before that.
Okay, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, pa.
In that you have default, ma'am. Default is a keyword, ma'am.
Yes, pa. Yes.
And why we are not writing the default in the main function, like in the public class, new interface IPL, CDL?
Actually, ma, we have to override in main function, no? In main class. Here we are not using. Actually, this default is only possible within interface, ma. We can use this keyword default only within interface. We cannot use this keyword within class, pa. And while we override, we have to override with the same access specifier of that that interface, ma. So here, by default, what is the access specifier of this void foo, pa? By default, what is public? So that's why here I have override with the same name, same with the same access specifier, public void foo. But we should not use the keyword default, pa. So the default you have to use because in Java, initially in interface they have introduced only one method, ma, abstract method alone. Abstract method means you cannot write a definition. Okay, so you cannot write definition. So later from JDK 1.8 or from 1.7, I forget that one. They have in 1.8. Okay, so the two method was introduced. One is a default method, another one is a static method. So default method and static method can have a definition. Okay, but abstract initially only abstract method alone available in interface. So abstract method means there is no definition. So that's why here they have introduced two methods, default method and static method. So default method means here interface we cannot write a method with definition. So that's why here they have written one method with the keyword default. Okay, with the keyword default. So this keyword you can use only within interface. Understood, Amma? Understood.
Nice, what is the right default in that public void foo, ma'am? They'll get an error.
Yes, within this class, no, you cannot use this keyword default within class. That default keyword only you can use it in within interface. So if you use the keyword default, then you can write the definition within this function. If I'm not using default keyword, then that function is considered as abstract. You cannot write the definition. Okay. If I not mention default in interface, then I cannot write a definition. But from 1.9, they have introduced two more methods, that is a private static method and private method. So if access specifier is private, then that time also you can write the definition. Okay, Papa?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any other doubt, Pa? Any other doubt? Okay, so that's all. Okay.